If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Spotify, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Check the expiration date, card number, and billing address to make sure everything matches. Step 2. Update payment information. Log into your Spotify account and navigate to the payment settings. Update your payment information with the correct details, including a new card or payment method if necessary. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can cause payment problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or try using a different browser or device to see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank or card issuer to ensure there are no restrictions or blocks on your account that could be causing the payment declines. They may need to authorize the transaction. Step 5. Reach out to Spotify support. If none of the above steps work, contact Spotify support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into why your payments are being declined and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment decline issues on Spotify. If problems persist, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.